Welcome students. In this lesson, we are talking about value type and reference type variables. Actually, value type data types or reference type data types. Actually, there are different kind of classifications available for data types. Right? One is value type and reference type. In previous lesson, we talk about implicit and explicit data types, right? In this lesson we are talking about what is value type, what is reference type with stack and heap concept, right? Okay, this is stack and heap with data type introduction, right? Actually I get this image from Google. This will help you to get better idea about what is stack, what is heap, and how value type variables store data and how reference type variables store data, right? In this example, they create a variable s, right? Variable type is string type variable called s they create and assign value as hello world, right? Is the double quotation. This is value assign part. Create string variable with variable name is s and assign value hello world, right? When actually in variable declaration process with create process, they create a variable called s. In that way, this is, think about, this is your RAM, right? This is RAM memory and create a variable called s. That means that s reserve memory location from your RAM, right? This is 0 multiplied 803200 is the memory address, right? This memory location address is this one. Right? In value type variable, they assign value directly to this memory address, right? If this one is an integer, they assign value to this place. If this one is a boolean or double or char character, that kind of variables, they assign value to this location, right? We said this is stack memory, right? The value type variables assign value directly to the memory location, right? Assign value with stack memory locations, right? This is, we said, this example they use reference type introduction, right? Actually string is a reference type, right? If you create an object, if you create an array, we use reference type data, right? In reference type, the heap memory concept is comes with this, right? Actually in reference type, they assign value as another memory location's memory address, right? Think about this. This is heap memory, right? This memory location hold actual assign value in this variable, to this variable. Actually that memory location is 0 multiplied this one, right? In reference type, they store this memory location, right? In reference type, if we want to get actual data, they use this memory location, memory address and point this memory address and getting this one. Actually in reference type variables, they assign value in runtime, right? In value type variables, they assign value to the variables in compile time and store that value in heap stack memory, right? With reference data type, they store value with runtime and heap memory, right? Just store one more memory location address. They point and get this value. Actually, this reference type data or reference type variables slower than value type variables. Think about this. This is some examples, right? The value type, simple data types. We can use integer, floating point, char, characters, or bool or boolean. There are many kind of simple data types available, right? Unsigned, bit, byte, all the things, all the simple data types are the value type. String are not, right? Then enum. Enum is one more concept. In later lesson, I will introduce what is enum and how we use enum, right? Struct is also that kind of concept. It also introduce in later lesson nullable data types. These are the examples, right? Then reference data types, they keep class type, object, interface type, arrays, string, the delegation type. Those are examples, right? Remember these things. One of data type classification is value type and reference type. Value type variables store in stack memory in RAM. Reference type store value in heap memory, right? I think you have some idea about what is value type, what is reference type, how access value type data, how access reference type data. We said value type is speed, reference type is bit slow than value type, right? Some examples and reference type examples. Okay, that's it for this video. Let's move into next lesson.